These are the highest honors awarded by the university, and every single one of you in your respective fields deserves this recognition and much more.
Senior Minister Tharman Shanmugaratnam, Professor Antoine Compagnon, Professor Barbara Engelking, Mr. Tamir Gilad.
Responsibility, innovation, excellence, and integrity. These are among the qualities of our 10 exceptional honorees whom we are recognizing tonight.
By enabling the advance of knowledge, universities have made the world a better place.
Mr. Maurice Kahn, Mr. Atala Mansour, Professor Nicolas A. Pepas.
I see this award as a call to action to go further in building inclusive societies where every individual and group can flourish and contribute to the public good, regardless of ethnicity, gender, or social background.
At times like these, the inspiration we draw from outstanding men and women like tonight's honorees is of special importance.
Professor Pavel A. Pevsner, Ms. Sandra and Mr. Vlad Shmunis, Ms. Olga Tokarczuk,